Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Hope you guys are well. So today we will discuss about Python and some common question about Python. Before we start, if you guys are new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the future videos. So let's look at today's agenda. First one is what is Python? What is Python used for? Features in Python, future of Python, career opportunities. So let's discuss first one, what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python is also a general purpose and high level programming language. You can use Python for developing desktop GUI applications, websites and web applications. Also, Python as a high level programming language allows you to focus on core functionality of the application by taking care of common programming tasks. The simple syntax rules of the programming language further makes it easier for you to keep the code base readable and application maintainable. Python is a dynamic, high-level, free, open-source, and interpreted programming language. It supports object-oriented programming as well as procedural or oriented programming. There are many features in Python, some of which are discussed below. First one is easy to code. It means Python is a high-level programming language. Python is very easy to learn the language as compared to other languages like C, C++, C#, JavaScript, Java, etc. It is very easy to code in Python language and anybody can learn Python basics in a few hours or day. It is also a developed friendly language. Next is free and open source. Python language is freely available at the official website and you can download it from here. Since it is open source, this means that source code is also available to public. So you can download it and use it as well as and share it. Third one is object-oriented language. One of the key features of Python is object-oriented programming. Python supports object-oriented language and concepts of class, objects, encapsulation, etc. Number 4 is GUI programming support. Graphical user interface can be made using a module such as PyQt5, PyQt4, WX Python or TK in Python. PyQt5 is the most popular option for creating graphical apps with Python. Number 5 is high-level language. Python is a high-level language. When we write programs in Python, we do not need to remember the system architecture, nor do we need to manage the memory. Number 6 is extensible feature. Python is an extensible language. We can write some Python code into C and or C++ language, and also we can compile that code in C or C++ language. Number 7 is Python is portable language. Python language is also a portable language. For example, if we have Python code for Windows and if we want to run this code on other platforms such as Linux, Unix and Mac, then we do not need to change it. We can run this code on any platform. Number 8 is Python is integrated language. Python is also an integrated language because we can easily integrate Python with other languages like C and C++, etc. Number 9 is large standard library. Python has a large standard library which provides a rich set of modules and functions, so you do not have to write your own code for every single thing. There are many libraries present in Python for such as regular expression, unit, testing, web browsing, etc. Number 10 is dynamically typed language. Python is dynamically typed language. That means the type for a variable is decided at runtime, not in advance. Because of this feature, we don't need to specify the type of variable. And now, number 11 is interpreted language. Python is interpreted language because Python code is executed line by line at a time. Like other languages C and C++ or Java etc., there is no need to compile Python code. This makes it easier to debug our code. So our next topic is Python features. Over the years, Python has managed to sweep into the coding world and have managed to reach the top. It is one of the multi-paradigm and high-level languages that is used by programmers due to its conversational features. Python has managed to dominate other programming languages such as Java, C and C++, etc. In addition to this, its object-oriented features have made it even more accurate to deal with. With time, programmers started to bend towards it on a huge level and are now depend on its dynamic features. In addition to this, it has become a conversational language that has made it easy to work on a number of different aspects. If anything, programmers are now opting for Python for application development, game development, web development, numeric and scientific computing, system administration, GIS and mapping and so on. In over the span of 25 years, Python has managed to reach a level that is high above others, making it the fastest growing language. Not only this, but it also has a promising future along with the addition of other technology. There is no doubt that it has become quite favorite in the software industry. Our next topic is why is Python used for? Python used for many things. Among them, first one is readable and maintainable code. While writing a software application, you must focus on the quality of its source code to simplify maintenance and updates. The syntax rules of Python allow you to express concepts without writing additional code. At the same time, Python, unlike other programming languages, emphasizes on code readability and allows you to use English keywords instead of punctuations. Hence, you can use Python to build custom applications without writing additional code. The readable and clean code base will help you to maintain and update the software without putting extra time and effort. Next one is multiple programming paradigms. Like other modern programming languages, Python also supports several programming paradigms. It supports object-oriented and structured programming fully. Also, its language features support various concepts in functional and aspect-oriented programming. At the same time, Python also features a dynamic type system and automatic memory management. The programming paradigms and language features help you to use Python for developing large and complex software applications. Number 3 is compatible with major platforms and systems. At present, Python supports many operating systems. You can even use Python interpreters to run the code on specific platforms and tools. Also, Python is an interpreted programming language. It allows you to run the same code on multiple platforms without recompilation. Hence, you are not required to recomplete the code after making any alternation. You can run the modified application code without recompiling and check the impact of changes made to the code immediately. The feature makes it easier for you to make change to the code without increasing development time. Number 4 is robust standard library. It is large and robust standard library makes Python a score over other programming languages. The standard library allows you to choose from a wide range of modules according to your precise needs. Each module further enables you to add functionality to the Python application without writing additional code. For instance, while writing a web application in Python, you can use a specific module to implement web service, perform string operation, manage operating system interface, or work with internet protocols. You can even gather information about various modules by browsing through the Python standard library documentation. Number 5 is, as an open source programming language, Python helps you to curtail software development cost significantly. You can even use several open source Python frameworks, libraries, and deployment tools to curtail development time without increasing development cost. You even have option to choose from a wide range of open source Python frameworks and development tools according to your precise needs. For instance, you can simply and speed up web application development by using robust Python web frameworks like Django, Flux, Pyramic, Bottle, and CherryPy. Likewise, you can accelerate desktop GUI application desktop using Python GUI frameworks and tooltips like PyQt, PyJS, PyGUI, etc. Number 6 is simplify complex software development. Python is general purpose programming language, hence you can use the programming language for developing both desktop and web application. Also, you can use Python for developing complex scientific and numeric applications. Python is designed with features to facilitate data analysis and visualization. You can take advantage of the data analysis features of Python to create custom big data solution without putting extra time and effort. At the same time, the data visualization libraries and APIs provided by Python help you to visualize and present data in more appealing and effective way. Many Python developers can use Python to accomplish artificial intelligence and natural language processing tasks. Number 7 is adopt test-driven development. You can use Python to create prototype of the software application rapidly. Also, you can build the software application directly from the prototype simply by refactoring the Python code. Python even makes it easier for you to perform coding and testing simulation by adopting the driven development approach. You can easily write the required test before writing code and use the test to access the application code continuously. The test can also be used for checking if the application meets predefined requirements based on its source code. However, Python, like other programming languages, has its own shortcomings. It lacks some of the built-in features provided by other modern programming languages, hence you have to use Python libraries, modules and frameworks to accelerate custom software development. Also, several studies have shown that Python is slower than several widely used programming languages including Java and C++. You have to speed up the Python application by making changes to the application code or using custom runtime. But you can also use Python to speed up software development and simplify software maintenance. Our next topic is career opportunities. In this dynamic world where everything changes at rapid rate, the popularity of today Python never seems to cease. Python certification is one of the most sought after skills in the entire programming domain, but have you ever wondered if it is really worth it? If yes, where it can take you? Apart from this, there are a few other questions which might be bothering you. So in this section, I would be answering all such questions regarding Python career opportunities. Python as a programming language is easy and simple to learn. Python cuts development time in half with its simple to read syntax and easy comparison features. Also, it has plenty of libraries that support data analysis, manipulation, and visualization. Therefore, it has evolved as the most preferred language and considered to be the next big thing and a must for professionals. Today, we will discuss various Python careers opportunities available for Python programmers. Inclination today is being curious and hands-on is desire as Python demands that we get our hands dirty and like to fiddle around the system for errors and other issues. In an independent third-party survey, it has been found that the Python programming language is currently the most popular language for data scientists worldwide, which tracks programming language by popularity. According to them, Python tops the list of the most popular programming language in 2019. Python job profiles. First one is software engineer, second one is Python developer, third one is research and analysis, fourth one is data analysis, fifth one is data scientist, sixth one is software developer. Here you can see the salary description.